What's the most powerful website for internet marketers? If you said YouTube, you would be right. YouTube is not just the world's biggest video site, it's also the world's second largest search engine. Yes, it's second only to Google when it comes to people searching for stuff online. Now, with over 1 billion video views per day and over 1.3 billion active users, YouTube's got every single customer that you need to reach out to. What's more, it's doubling every year, so there's going to be double the opportunity to make money on YouTube this year. Now, anyone who can successfully tap into it, even a fraction of the YouTube market, will cash in big. I'm talking thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars a month in potential income here. Here's the problem though. Marketers all over the world know YouTube's worth, and competition, it is tough. Everyone is battling with every resource at their disposal to get top rankings with their videos. Now, if you're one of those who's fighting it out and losing, or even someone who's, afraid to enter because of all this competition, what we are going to show you next will blow your mind. It's YouTube playlists. Bet you know all about playlists already. They show up in search results, and a lot of people even search for playlists using the playlist filter in YouTube. Ranking your playlists for prime keywords is easier than ranking videos. And you know what? You just need to put your own videos at the top of the playlist to get that traffic from all the people who view the playlists. It's a radically simple and radically powerful strategy, and you could start doing this today, manually if you want. But you know what? It's going to be hard to find the perfect playlist titles. You're going to spend a ton of time putting targeted videos to make a good quality playlist. And you're going to spend hours more publishing playlists on your channels every day. Wish there was a simpler way? Well, now there is. Introducing Playtraffic. Playtraffic is a 100% new software for playlist marketing on YouTube, and it makes getting traffic from playlist marketing 3-step simple. Quickly find the keywords for the niche you want to target. Put in your videos and shortlist the other videos you want to put in playlists. Create playlists and publish them on YouTube. You'll be up and creating traffic-pulling playlists in just a matter of minutes, and with just a few clicks of the mouse button. That's right, Playtraffic does everything from getting the playlist topics, quickly finding the videos, setting up those playlists, to publishing the finished playlist to YouTube, to multiple channels. Now, you don't have to step out of Playtraffic even once. With Playtraffic, you'll be able to do in minutes what, used to take hours to do earlier. And you'll be able to explode your YouTube traffic the way you've never done before. What you've got in here is the first and only product of its kind. It's a revolution in YouTube marketing. Want to see how it works? Well, there is a demo farther down this page that will show you exactly how simple and effective Playtraffic is. Get started now and get yourself ranked for keywords that you could not even imagine ranking for. Yes, Playtraffic makes it possible even for new YouTube channel owners to get traffic by creating high-ranking playlists featuring their videos, riding on the popularity of authority videos. So don't wait any longer. Here's probably your only chance to make an impact on the highly competitive and crowded world of YouTube marketing with a killer strategy that's still not overexposed. Click on that button below and make Playtraffic yours before your competitors do.